Welcome back to my channel, guys. I don't know, it's your girl Sweet Pea. They here this morning we do a little cow bush vlog again. Yeah, Nick, I go catching cow this morning, see if he can cast him.
Good, no, man. See it there? Buy some new rope for the cow, you see me? I'll change the rope on the cow because the bull get big, you see me? Yeah. So you don't know the badness already, you know me. I grow in a bush. I don't know why outcome yet. I don't know why bull go on with, but yo, I beg you to help with me. Help me change a cow rope. You hear? Follow me now, man.
Yeah, man, when I fat rope them because the bull get big. So you can't use the little rope on him. You have to use the one with fat. And I just go and stay tuned because I just feel like little drama go on in the morning. Yeah, I go through the Gideon, the forest.
Just to go give me problem to
him pass over here, so if you could just cut this down, but you can't, this is too much work. Yes. Is that running up? This is my problem. Every time if you come step funny, that slides so. Come on. Ooh.
So, now we're going to come try.
And I say you always walk with him.
Yeah, but that tree that went dropping in our path.
And you don't know if they can jump over it. It's kind of tall still, you know. See the tree where I just climb over a while ago around the circle for passing, you know, but the tree they kind of tall up in our way. I don't know if it's going to work.
When I buy a rope, and big man say, yo, how you buy a rope? For me say I'm a cow. Yeah, man say, it's risky. You say, what you mean? Because thief just can't come loose your cow and move it. You say, alright, I wait for that one there. You know.
So now there little place here soft, my foot wet up already, you know. I sink already. All the stream I have to go across. See that? Whoa. Bothers. Rainfall money. How far it gone left me, and not even can see him. I'm alone down in the bush take time I come. He gone left me in a people. He gone left me in a bush.
Come on.
There they knock tree if you see drunk or fly. That him a do, you know. Ooh.
God no, youth, I kick over in a bush, you know, man. You see bush life not easy, you know, youth.
You have a machete, that's why I tell you if you walk up front, because I wish them a time it too. And you see rope where you have a string, so you make me a tip on it. And you feel well up here. You're sweating, you know? Hey, me tell you, say, this tush girl then can't come a bush. See it there? A straight bush. Tandy noodle. Round your son. Be a tandy noodle and sit down and pop
down. What you look there?
Tandy noodle.
What you feel look pan standing noodle around there?
Stand now what them in a bush.
You don't look pan no standing
big
noodle?
Big and small.
Yeah.
And some fine one look there.
Me not look pan them.
Yeah. People, why in a bush? Not tandy noodle.
Tree and bush. Tree and bush. What kind of standing noodle?
That's too much hard. Too much hard. So must hear a river. No hear a river down. Now this morning we did want swimming, but Nick say we not going to river this morning. Because we have only for things to do and places to go. So, now I'm going to go swim, but I'm going to show on the river. Yeah, the man? I'm not sorry because the river sound like it force, like it come down. But what they say river the people? When you look, no one a glimpse only a part of it. I don't like walk side of the river when it come down. Me alone. Because you know so when you're in the water you can't hold on for nothing. Who did know that? So that's my biggest problem. Reach a cow bush. The journey was long because I don't know me have to cut out some of it. To make the video not so long. But who is this? Another cow. Come other cow do you place? Good day. Other cow do you place there, you know? How I go on? Something looks strange. Where bull? What happened, cow? Oh, the bull round there, see him there. Indeed there. See the bull there, you see a bull, he might get fat, he's soon bigger than him mother, you know. A baby, you know. That one. That man a Sonic have to deal with them, you know. I'm alone, I have to move them cars. Me can't manage to pull them, cow too big. That's my problem, cow big bad. Mr. Biggs, watch Black's face of boring night. Come on, nick a time up right here, so. A film rope I go get changed. Brand new rope where you see Nick with on his shoulder. Him I go get it. Look on the rope where you stay. The rope and change for real.
What for your rope out there, son?
I put him make it cost me with the rope and then rush me now and feel like say me account time. I see the rope on it.
Come. Let's drop it. Hold it in. Hold it, you know. Don't run.
Me not run, but me have to come so if you might clear you out.
Good.
See me know about? If you might go that way there around the tree, me have to come so. We keep on wrap him. Me still hold on to this and the call you go. Watch me. Let go that. New rope. I mean, he's supposed to backside. You see me telling you. The rope long, you have long rope. New long rope. See that, people? Pim. He might kick you over in the bush over there. Time, Nick. Wrap him. The mother one not jealous, you know. that's how we do it. Quick and fast. Run that bush.
Yeah.
Nick and Shana, cow bush style.
See it there?
All wrote this.
Go bust up it. It's Sibra. Sibra. You know, say
You take off this to Sibra. You not go
it's done, this mash up.
That mash up? Oh, if you don't press like it, guys, please don't press like.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because we are going to carry them back way around, so that is another struggle again. Because we go move from here so with them and we are going to bring them also. Let me show on the river because I know so I don't hear them at night. It's a good thing I don't carry nothing for bed because I ain't going to go in there this morning because I don't love how water look. The water rough and then it's a bit brown. I don't swim in a river when river looks so. One thing I don't like though, I never like come a cow bush and can't get to go in and river go swim. Always go swim still, but rain fall, river come down. Can't get a look at me up there. There. Watch there. I don't have to ask here. Yo! We carry around so too. We are taking on the journey again, we are bring them around one different part, you know. Be more than sitting around here so because of rain. You have to watch me step, because you know say if me step on one of them a rope here, I found me back me there. You know that? Yeah, because I call them strong. Them are traveling up, people. Them are traveling up. Yeah. Them are travel. They are move with for them speed, you know. So if you're stuck and you can't move fast in the bush, nobody come. But you know, serious. That's why you have to do. You have to run wide. Back them up. Let them go. Which part you want them to go?
Different place. Isn't it? Come on, come on.
Then you're back at you, man. Now make a left. But you in a water boat, you can step harder. I stink your fat. Fuck. Watch out. Watch out. You must take off my boot. Wow. You must take off next with a shoes. You know, say, I'm going to endure in the bush. Feel that joke, cause I'm not going to water boat again. So I have to go get back one. Think it easy. Adventure style. Nice. If you broad. Let's see how that's our trouble start now.
I don't got trouble there alone now. I'm a little hard trouble to them parts.
Oh, right, tree there.
Yeah.
And go up there and go over it. Oh, them across, you see it? The difficult part we didn't worry about. You see how easy them go over? He might go where he want to go.
So, follow that one. Follow him. I see more past, okay?
Yeah. Oh shit, the bamboo nail is caught me here. Right, that's one bamboo jut me, you know.
After walk through, I say walk around the side.
Yeah. Alright.
Come. Put on the side. Bust. Come now, come up. Come up there, come up.
I'm going to pay up in them up. Under them a bamboo part, you know, like snake. What's that?
Go nowhere past. You're taking all of that.
Chop in, chop out the pass. Remember, say, storm, the tree them are going to drop down in the bush. Tired. Oh, that, my shade fire to you.
Buckyard, you see that? Mark a tree there, you know?
Tired of me I catch breath, so that's why I stop talk to you. Yeah, little.
I'll see when we come back to them around here and clean up the place.
Alright people, remember the bush look. Remember say we have to chop out the bush if we make pass. See? You see next video when I go show now. When we come around here again, I'm gonna go see how they deal with the place. Oh, this such a then I eat. You see, over another part of bush, you know, mosquito for days. Look how me I sweat. This Gulfy River. This Gulfy River. I'm sweating, look there. I sweat till me shine. Tired. I'm not telling you no lie because you see if I will lose the cow them round the bush around there, so I have to bring them round there, so I run, we have to run back of them. We have to run behind of them. And I far in the bush. So I'm tired because the place bushy. The tree them pop down. You have to run and I jump over tree, jump over maca tree and then something there. In tie?
Yeah.
See my come give me a page. I'm gonna my breasting guy looking at me saying big and stay bad, you see. Watch him. Big and stay bad. I suck out till every little milk out time and call him big and fat.
Go put.
Yes, Nick.
I'm gonna try one of them now. What's the time now?
Time summer up here, some man make him eat too.
You go eat, man.
But not tie two of them
You know
too
what,
near make
man?
them not up.
Yeah. Come.
Come on, eat. Yeah, man, you see next time when I see you so, you go see. Oh, the two of them deal with round you so. Remember me telling you, you know. Remember, you know. Show no place. See it there? Pay a bush right now if I go in them part of them cover me. Although right here so cover me see me, I just show Nick chop out the parts. See it? Straight bush. Look how me stay. White socks me put on, you know. Look on my shoes, look on my pants. Look there. Thinky bush normal. Normal in a bush not pretty. And I know pretty girl thing and no pretty boy thing in a bush. You have to have like a adventureness in you. If you manage them a type of bush in a real life. Be a mosquito, be a boar. No stush girl now want come around here so. Now ask Christ as one mosquito bite you no start squeal. And bite at you still, but you have to do what you have to do. You see, me can't make Nick alone come a cow bush every time. Cow love pull you down in a bush and then look where they are, so sometimes if you have a second. That thing want to not tap eat now, you know. Next one alright, he up there so eat. And he well tied.
Walk to your place already.
Hmm?
You see, look how walk, you walk.
Mm-hmm. Cause look pan here so, pass make right here so, as then come through here so. Pass make. And you brush your over with head, cause then just bore through the bush. I'm that rich there so. Then he mother now we tie up on him.
Now watch him look, man. You see him can. We have to go put him out.
Cause he go always a try to come which party him mother there.
Oh, look sitting there so time pan, man.
Watch him.
Alone him can't come in.
Mm-hmm. But him mother can't go up which part him there. How long up back up so? A shame.
Lucy come, pull come.
Lucy come pull him come.
You can't manage him.
Go pull me down.
Yes, then you can't manage.
Then he come big. One pull me to blouse cup. Me dey for me bat it. Anywhere I go with me fast, me can't go fire rope. Now I river this.
Yeah.
So if river ready for river and go come down. Make a pass you go build for goat.
Yeah, come from me back,
Come from your back. Come up nearer. Let me shit. Bombardos, man. Where am I going?
When I go loose him, I go tangle up him.
You can't make me back ride short. Go back across the river.
So I passed it.
That's not pass here, sir. You know see pass here, sir, people? I have to come make it pass, come on, take on snake.
What?
Awa. So we are left them a bush. No. We done with them for the day.
Back up, don't come up on me too much.
Finish with them for the day. We are grown and now go cool off. And take on the road.
How is cash walk coming up?
I don't know where cash walk, I must be fly. I must fly. Or him bore through some part of the bush like how you see cow them bore through some little hole. I must that in do. He must glad I know when they run here.
I mean,
Let's work for him.
clean him account, clean him every day.
We are going to start charging him when we tie them round here. Because them are work. I want to hurry up come out of this part of bush.
Come. God. So long me not come around.
Oh, there's a block. Some big tree them here. Remember that pass here? When I really this a pass when they feel like send me in my life. Oh, over there somewhere I come from. In there so. We just make one pass come out, but this is a actual pass, but it's black. Big tree pop down, man. Run na them a bush when them a tree they pop down, then kill you in a bush.
Barrel do it, you know.
What do you mean if a barrel do it? My box cover so we go pass up here, so.
See, we over there do it now.
Them a tree have and them a sitting here, maka them. Slide man. I have my shoes back and I have no grip. Look like me I see road. I see one horse. I see one horse free first, that means me the close to get him out of the bush. We are reached there, getting out of the bush once and for all. Thank God. Thank God. Yeah, back on the road again. The road again. Yeah, oh, me want back ride, you know, because I can't come, me never went down get the back ride when they give me in the bush. You remember?
The argument them not sound straight.
You have to carry me on your back. Finish, carry me on your back in the bush. And then done.
Just attack.
Just attack, we didn't attack. It come like a sun hot around a sun and around a bush. A two more tree around there, you know. Wow. Thank God. Ah. Wow. Reach home now. Yeah. Alright, so that's that. So come back from Cowbush now. So when I reach to the end of the video, guys, hope say you enjoy that little piece of vlog there. Because right now tired of kill me. Comment if you want more down below. If you want to see when we go back to Cowbush, we're going to move them again. Show you how they trample down the place and things. So for everybody who watch the video to the end, big up and enough respect. Heart of love to you. Stay tuned. Subscribe to Vibe with Squaddy. That's a Nick channel. You know what I mean? We're cool off you now. Beer and get something cool to drink. You know the shreps, so catch you now. Yeah man, see me car. I eat that.
I tell you say work can't done, you know. I left Cowbush, me have bush, me have work a bush, me have work a yard, me have work in the house, me have work all the work.
Alright people. Thanks for watching later.